Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you're doing great, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. This is your messages from Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine, DM to the DF, who are not in contact with each other. Okay, twin flame journey, who are in the twin flame journey, and I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest, because this is the collective general messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. And let's start your reading. Let's see what are the things your divine masculine wants to say, and I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other? What are the messages from the divine masculine? What are the messages from the divine masculine? What are the messages? Okay. So your divine masculine is saying that it's not over. Okay. They want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say. Okay. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Please give me the messages from the divine masculine. They want to say a lot of things. Okay. What does divine masculine wants to say? See, can you see? They want to say a lot of things. Okay. Half of my deck is on floor. Okay. So let me see. So they want to say you that you know me better than anyone else. Okay, so you know me better than anyone else. You do things to make me happy. Okay, so you do things to make me happy. There is I love you infinite. I love you infinite. No one other compares to you. Okay, no one other compares to you. I have known you in often lifetimes. And you mean the world to me. Can you see? So they want to tell you that you mean the world to me, and I have often known you in many often lifetimes. I know you in many often lifetimes. You are my home, and you never give up on me. Okay, you never give up on me. You are my home. It's not over. Okay, it's not over. We will be together again. So they want to tell you that it's not over and we will be together again. 0404 was the recording breathing time. Would you accept me? Is it possible to forgive and forget? Would you accept me? You sound sexy over the phone. I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. So they want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. Okay, I wish you were here with me. So they're missing you and they're wishing that I wish you were there with them here. And they are ready for a new, I am ready for a new beginning. I am not the same person that you remember. Okay, 0444 was a recording reading time. Something is still missing for me. I'm trying to find out what it is. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see more messages. What are the messages from Divine Masculine? What are the messages from Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine? Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages for Divine Feminines from the Divine Masculine? What does Divine Masculine wants to say? They're watching you from distance. Too many messages, no. Any other thing they want to say? Okay, so we are always together no matter what, and we will be together again. Same message. Okay, we are always together no matter what, we will be together again. They want to say you this again. Okay, facing you means that I have to face myself. Okay, you are healing my soul even without realizing it, and you inspire me to live authentically. Beautiful messages from your Divine Masculine. I am healing my inner child. So they're doing the healing of the inner child. I know I have to make the first move. So they know that they have to make the first move here. Something keeps pulling back. Something keeps pulling me back towards you. Okay. So something is keep pulling back towards you. Your picture brings me tears. So they're watching you from a distance. I'm watching you from a distance. Your picture brings tears. Okay, so they're missing you. They're watching you from a distance here. Let me see more messages from the Divine Masculine. Love is the secret of my energy here. That's the message. True love is tight hug after a fight. You are the sun in my day, the wind in the sky, the waves in my ocean, and the beat in my heart. I love you. So this is what they want to tell you. Let me see more messages. Okay, so let's see. What are the messages from the Divine Masculine? What does they want to say? We can spend hours doing nothing then talking. Okay, I like how you respect me. Beautiful messages. I learn something new from you every day. Let me see more messages from Divine Masculine. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? I told you this want to say a lot of things. Okay, we are a perfect match. Okay, we are a perfect match. You know me better than I know myself. Okay, same message. You know me better than anyone else. So you know me better than anyone else. I miss you even you are in the next room. So they miss you a lot. You stare at me like I'm the best looking person in the world. You compliment me and you complete me. Beautiful. Let me see more messages. What are the messages from Divine Masculine? Please give me what does they want to say. Okay. What are the Divine Masculine wants to say? I start missing you the second you leave. Okay, so the second you leave, they start missing you, divine feminines. Okay, we can chat forever. You care about how I feel. We know we can work things out together. Okay, so they know that you both can work things out together. You are the light in my life. Okay, your nose is the cutest in the world, so they love your nose. Okay, you are honest with me. I can lose myself in the depth of your eyes. So they love your eyes. You put up with my moodiness and all other imperfectionness. You hold the key to my heart. So these are the things they want to tell you. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe to the divine feminines? Let's see what are the messages universe wants to say to the divine feminine. What does universe wants to give messages? Okay, this come again. Learn to love your body and embrace it. 1133 was the recording reading time. And can you see this is number 22. So you need to love yourself here. Love your body and you need to embrace it. Become more self-aware. Okay. Build your inner strength. Don't compare yourself to others. You are unique, divine feminines. Maybe you are comparing yourself to the others. 1155 was the recording reading time. There is surrender to the divine timing and let go of the control issues. Okay, so you need to surrender yourself to the divine timing and let go of the control issues here. Okay. This was the same message. See, relax and let go. Let go of the control issues. Maybe you are controlling the... This is a divine journey and things will happen according to the divine timing. Okay, let's see what are the messages from Twin Flame Tarot deck. Your counterpart is trying to reach out. What are the messages for this reading? See, same message. What are the messages you want me to deliver? What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Someone is still in running and chasing form, so you need to stop chasing and focus on yourself. Okay, focus on yourself. You are in a chasing. Maybe there is someone here who is in runner chaser form here. There is codependency, narcissist and codependent issues behavior. So maybe you are in a codependent relationship here. Okay, there is guidance. Pay attention to signs. Divine communication. Divine is trying to communicate with you, so you need to pay attention to the divine guidance. And there is synchronicities. Pay attention, your angels are trying to communicate with you. So beautiful message. Maybe you are looking the number synchronicities or the guidance from the angels. Pay attention to the synchronicities. Okay, there is death and rebirth. The death of yesterday is a birth of today. So transformation is taking place for you. There is relax and let go. Allow stillness to help you out. So you need to relax and let go. There is right now you have to keep your patience. This situation requires more time. Okay. Divine masculine is doing manifestation here. Can you see? You have a power to bring your desires to fruition. Your divine masculine is doing manifestation. And you're going through awakening, divine feminines. Both is here, divine masculine and the divine feminine. You're finding your higher self. You're going through awakening process. Okay, so divine masculine and divine feminine both are here. Okay, so they're doing the manifestation and you're going through awakening process. Beautiful. Let's see what is the blockage for this reading. What is the blockage for this reading for the twin flame journey? Please give me the blockage. Many messages. What is the blockage for this reading? Okay, so there is someone who is very defensive here. Either you are very defensive, divine masculine is very defensive, or the divine feminine is very defensive. But someone is very defensive here. There is needy here. Okay, apply it according to your situation. Ungrateful. So someone is very ungrateful, and someone is having sex addiction. Either divine masculine is having sex addiction or the divine feminine is having sex addiction, but someone is having sex addiction. So these are the blockages which you are having here. Let me see messages, some messages from Wisdom of Oracle. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Beautiful. See, your divine masculine is doing manifestation. Imagine card is here. They're doing the manifestation, and you have to do your clean it up and chop wood. Okay, so you have to declutter your house, your mind. Okay, clean it up, and anything which don't serve your highest good, you need to let go that. Right now you need to take rest, time for a nap here. Okay, and maybe you are thinking that this is a never ending story and it is going to repeat ever after again and again, but it is not like that. 1717 is the recording reading time. Come to the edge, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You have wings, you can use the wings. Okay, see yourself in a mirror and use your wings to fly. Okay, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. There is treasure island and there is manifestation. So yes, they are doing the manifestation. Lot of abundance is coming for you here, and there is new life. Can you see? Beautiful new life is coming for you. So these are the messages from this deck. I love it. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from Lovers Oracle. So many messages. What are the messages for this reading which I need to deliver? Okay, so what are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What is the message? Surrender. You need to surrender yourself to the divine. Okay, surrender to the divine and let go of the control issues. Same message is here. At times we must surrender the old before something new can enter our lives. Let go and all will work out. Surrender to the divine timing. Surrender here. Same message is here for you. So you need to relax and let go and surrender yourself. There is look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. Okay, you need to examine yourself. Look inside yourself. Beware of what you are projecting, for the qualities you admire in one another are the qualities you both possess equally. So the qualities you don't like are also your own reflection. Okay. There is deep in your heart, you already know the answers. Do what you feels right. There is transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to get deepened. Love conquers and transforms all things. Beautiful message. So these are the messages from this deck. I love it. Thank you. Let's see what angels wants to give you the messages. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Same message is here. Declutter. your mind, your house. Declutter your mind and house. Angels want you to let go of your stress that is currently residing in your mind and body. They want you to declutter your mind and living space of negativity so that angels can infuse it with love and positive energies. This is what I was saying you, that you need to declutter yourself. Okay. Declutter your body and mind here. Okay. There is unlean, as the saying goes, old habit die hard. Angels ask you to identify and unlean your old habits and ideas that are holding back your soul progression. So anything which you are still carrying old habits, you need to surrender that habits, let go of that habits. There is obsession. Angels wants you to understand that obsession is like a poison, be that for a lifestyle, job, relationship, or thinking. Identify your obsession traits and distance yourself from them. So there is an obsession which you need to distance yourself. There is gratitude. Be in state of eternal gratitude. Count your blessings and be happy. Okay. And there is angels are travel. Angels are indicating long distance travel or vacation in your near future and conveying that you prepare accordingly. So you are going to do a traveling here. Okay. So you need to prepare yourself. That's the message I'm getting here. Let's see more message from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Beautiful. This is a scared plan. This is a divine plan. Okay. So just you need to listen deeply. Listen to deeply. Listen deeply. This is a scared plan. You need to raise your vibrations. Raise your vibrations. Okay. Raise your vibrations. Joy and contentment. Okay. Let's see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn. Trust. You need to trust. Trust in the divine plan. Okay. What is the soul lesson for this reading? What is the soul lesson for this reading? Happiness. I am aware that being happy means that I'm on a right path. So that's the soul lesson which you need to learn. Happiness. There is love. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. Okay. There is adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. So let's see what are the things which you need to surrender for this reading. What are the things divine feminine wants to surrender, or the divine masculine wants to surrender, whoever is watching this video? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the things they need to surrender for this reading? What are the things they need to surrender? What are the things they need to surrender for this reading? Surrender comparisons with other people. Okay. Divine feminines, you are comparing yourself. Don't compare yourself with others. Okay. Surrender comparison with other people. Okay. Keep your eye trained on yourself. Focus on your own strength, attractiveness, and power. So that's the message here I'm getting for you. There is surrender to joy. A key to positive change in your life is to let joy in and savor it. Indulge in random acts of smiling during both the hard and easy time. Keep surrender to more joy. So you need to surrender yourself to the joy. Let's see what are the next steps they want to take. Next actions they want to take. The divine masculine wants to take. What are the next steps? They want to move in a forward direction. Wow. The Chariot. They want to move in a forward direction with you, divine feminines. Let's see. What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? Please tell me what are the next steps they want to take. What are the next steps? What are the next steps they want to take? What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take towards Divine Feminine? What are the next steps? King of Cups. What are the next steps? Knight of Wands. Page of Pentacle. What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take? Nine of Pentacles. What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take? What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take? Okay. They're doing the manifestation. Magician is here. Knight of, they want to rush towards you. Knight of Cup, Knight of Pentacle, Magician. Right now they are unable to make a decision here with the Two of Swords, but they want to, but they are going to get the clarity. Ace of Swords, they're going to get the clarity, because here I'm having King of Swords here. Can you see? So they are going to take a decision. Right now maybe they are unable to take a decision, but they're going to take the decision. They're going to get the clarity with the Ace of Swords. They are manifesting you because you are the wish fulfillment for them. The Nine of Cups, they're manifesting you. Okay, they want to end the fighting, the drama, the perspective. They want to change the perspective here with you. Whatever fighting, drama, conflicts was there with you, they want to make a peace with that. Can you see? The peace is here. So they want to make a peace with that things. They see you as someone who is very happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. The Divine Feminines are enjoying your singlehoods, and they love that thing. They will approach you with a small message here. They want to offer you a lot of love with the King of Cup and Knight of Wands here. They're feeling very passionate towards you. They're coming towards you with a lot of courage. They're gaining the courage, the confidence to approach you here. They want to create a peace with all those things which has happened in the past. There is Knight of Pentacle and Knight of Cups. So they're coming towards you here. They're rushing towards you with a lot of love here. I can say that. So they want to change the perspective. They want to end the things which was happened in the past between you and them. Let me see more. What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take? See, again the Chariot is here. I'm going to take it. Chariot again. They want to move in a forward direction with you. They want to move in a forward direction with you. What does Divine Masculine wants to? Three of Cups, Three of Wands, Patience. So they keeping the, right now you have to keep your patience here, Divine Feminines. Okay, see, patience in love. Can you see? Patience and love. So yes, they are coming. They want to move in a forward direction with you. See, Ace of Wands. You ignite the passion in them. Passion is igniting inside them. What is the next step? They want to give you equal amount of give and take. Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles. Maybe you're getting the number synchronicities of 666. You can see that. So they want to come towards the karma waters with you. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, they're keeping the patience here. What does Divine Masculine wants to take the next step? Maybe right now you're feeling restricted, stuck, you are unable to move in a forward direction, but they see you as an Empress. Okay, they want you, see, Four of Swords. You are doing your healing, you're doing your resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are Seven of Wands here. So your guards are up, you're protecting your energy, but you have to take a leap of faith. Fool card is here again. Use your intuitions here. Use your intuition. High Priestess is here. Yeah, maybe right now you're feeling like an hangman. Okay. They are feeling like an hangman here because of the moon energy. Okay, the King of Pentacles is here. So maybe this is your Divine Masculine. Maybe they are financially stable, grounded. Moon is here and hangman is here. So because of the confusion, okay, not having clarity about whether you're going to accept the proposal or not, because of that they're feeling like an hangman. Okay, but yes, this is divine intervention. The Tower is coming for you. Some big unexpected changes are coming for you here. Six of Cups. This is Soulmate card, your Twin Flame card with the Star card here. New hopes, new desires are coming for you here. Can you see the Tower is here? That means some unexpected changes, big changes are coming for you. Emperor, yes. They're going to take new hopes, new desires. This is your Emperor. This is your soul. This is your Twin Flame here. I'm having the Emperor and the Empress both. So you're becoming more both Emperor and the Empress here. So this is what they want to take you. Right now you need to keep your patience here. Okay, they want to move in a forward direction. Let me see what is the emotions which they are right now. What are the emotions? They're feeling very lonely. The Divine Masculine is having. Okay, what are the emotions Divine Masculine is going through? Please tell me what are the emotions. They're feeling embarrassed. What are the emotions Divine Masculine is going through? They're feeling very irritated. Okay, they're feeling very irritated, annoyed, aggravated, bothered here. Can you see? They're feeling very irritated. They're feeling very embarrassed. Okay, so they're feeling very embarrassed, irritated, but they're feeling comforted, nourished. Okay, what is Divine Masculine feeling through? They're feeling very regretful. They're feeling very regretful. They're longing for you. Maybe they're panicking a lot because they're missing you. They're longing for the Divine Feminines. They're feeling confused. Okay, they don't know what to do. They're feeling confused and they're worried, but they're trusting here, trust and peaceful. So they're feeling the trust in the divine and they find that the peace will come towards them. So this is what they're feeling right now. Let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs? Okay, so they can be a Cancer here. They can be an Aquarius. They can be a Sagittarius, Gemini, Pisces, Taurus. What are the signs here? Please tell me the signs. The Leo. What are the signs here? Let me see more signs. What are the signs? What are the signs? They can be a water sign here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. They can be a Libra here. A Virgo. Cancer. They can be air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. They can be a Scorpio. They can be a Taurus here. They can be a fire and earth element here. Okay, so these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, okay, or you are yourself. So this was your reading and the messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.